In this section of the chaining, I'm not going to cover every type of node. You've just seen SK node and SK sprite node. Now I want to introduce you to SK label node and SK emitter node. There is still a long list of nodes to cover, but it is entirely possible to make a full-featured game with just these 4 node types. That's how powerful they are. So for now, I want you to master these highly useful nodes, and we'll go over the rest as we get to them. The next node on the list is SK label node. As the title suggests, it allows you to add text to the screen. Just like other nodes, it can be positioned where you want it using the position property. However, the anchor point cannot be changed like a sprite node. Instead, you have the vertical and horizontal alignment modes that allow you to position the text based on the node position. Adding or changing text is as simple as updating the text property. You also have control over the font color, name, and size. You might not know the name of the font you wish to use. There is a great website for browsing fonts available in iOS 8 and OS X called iosfonts.com. On this website you can browse visual samples of each font and get the name to insert it in your code. You can also install custom fonts from many popular font websites, but make sure that the license allows you to use them in mobile apps first. So that is the label node. I have just one more node to show you for now, and it's a fun one. SK emitter node allows you to place a particle emitter at a location on the screen. A particle emitter is an efficient way to generate particle effects. These effects might look like smoke, fire, magical spells, snow, rain, or any other ambient effect. The particle emitter node has a lot of properties. These properties affect how many particles are being emitted, how long they last for, does their size change, how fast do they move, do they rotate, how far do they move. There's so many ways you can tweak particle motion, it can almost become addictive. I could go over every single property available, but I don't really need to. Apple has built into Xcode a visual editor where you can tweak nodes and see instant feedback on how they are going to look. This is by far the best way to sample particle effects. Now let's have a look at labels and emitters in action and how to code it.